wife says, oh, you take care of other people's family better than you take care of your own. Seriously? You got a friend in me. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning everything. So ito yung umaga ko guys, magluto tayo. Lutuan natin si Mister ng request niya. Iwan ko, sabi ko sa kanya itlog, lagyan ng cheese at saka lagyan ng ham at saka pinilo-pilo ko na lang yun siya guys. Pero nagustuhan man niya at saka nilagyan ko ng kaunting spicy yung buffalo sauce na hot para pang wings ba, pang chicken wings. Nagustuhan man niya guys. Uy, tingnan nyo nga yun ito guys, yung itlog na ginagawa ko guys. Pinilo-pilo ko guys, folded egg. Iba man yung omelette. So ito, iba din ito. Kasi folded siya, pinilo-pilo siya. Yung omelette kasi one folded. Yun yung nilagay ko, diba? Masarap siya guys. Hindi siya masyadong maanghang. Maganda siya, masarap. So yun, nagustuhan naman ni Mister. O diba? So pies na, i-copy na lang niyo ito guys. Para sa mga partner ninyo, masaya na yun sila. With rice nyo, fried rice sa gilid. O diba? Ako naman, ang lulutuin ko lang naman din, the same lang din egg.
Talk about like 5 o'clock, even at 3 o'clock, it's like that. Why don't we get to what you really called for? You didn't call to talk about your mother-in-law. You didn't call to tell me how cute the baby is. Really? Let's get to what you really called for.
Kita ninyo guys, hiyap pa. Nandun sa cellphone, ang tagal-tagal. Kanina pa sana kami umalis. Kaso, yung bibig, yung magkapatid, sabi ko, kaluka kayo. Iwan ko na lang. Kahit ano na mga pinagsasabi ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Wala ka rin katuturan na charot. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys, naluka ako guys. Hindi sana ako sasama. Kaso kailangan kong sumama. Kasi ang asawa ko, yung biyana ng kapatid ni Tami, tawag ng tawag. Naluka ako. Tignan nyo ng mukha ko. Wala pa nga akong mag-lipstick tayo konti. Kasi yung white ko.
You took over the driving seat, really?
Huh?
You took over the driving seat?
Why? I'm your driver, remember?
Yeah,
Han, can you drive me, Han?
No, but after I go there, I gotta drive to Yvonne, so...
So, is that a hard time? You are the one who told me. Can you open that thing?
I will. I'm the one who told you what?
Han, can you go with me, Han? Can you go with me and drive me and also...
I didn't say drive me. I said you can go with me. This way I can leave you at the house.
No, you said, you're my driver.
Okay,
you are
yeah,
my constantly driver. Driving me is the best policy that I can play with the phone.
That's what I said.
As a good wife,
okay.
As a good wife, you always need to follow your leader.
And lie like a rug. All the time.
Hey, listen to me. Somebody said in the comment, that's why you are like that, because you're afraid of your husband. I'm afraid. Who the heck is he? I'm afraid of you, Han.
And that's why you like what?
Huh?
They said you like what because you're afraid of
I'm
me.
always stressed out.
Gee, okay.
Afraid daw ako sa asawa ko, guys. Oy, no. What do you think? Am I afraid to you?
Yeah, not likely.
Sam is afraid of me. No, he's never been afraid. He have his own head that you can't even like poop one. Can you shave it? Can you shave me? Eh.
I might cut you. You'll be really unhappy.
Oh my god, he is so cute, guys. So she's gonna cut his wife's baloloy.
Not on purpose, but it's gonna happen.
What?
Not on purpose, but...
Hello, somebody's gonna make a garden here. Look, do you see that? They put a bed over there. Bed. They put a raised bed. Anyway, guys, let's go. So I'm gonna stay in the cat with the cat.
Guys, you know what? My wife just said that we're going to take care of my sister's cat, and then I gotta go and take care of my sister's mother-in-law because she's in her 80s and she's got problems. And my wife says, oh, you take care of other people's family better than you take care of your own. Seriously? Because I give them any time, like let her cat starve or be lonely, and the cat's old, her mother-in-law's old, they need things, nobody's here to help. So while they're out of state, yes, I'm stepping up and helping. And my wife was sitting there telling me I take better care of them.
I was joking, guys. My husband doesn't take, she cannot really take a joke.
You can't take a joke. You don't say it like a joke.
Okay. I'm joking, pero my asawa is can't take the joke. Hi guys, pauwi na kami guys. And you turn your AC over there. It's off. Tignan niyo naman yung asawa ko guys. Oh, it's a nice thing. I really like it.
Really?
Yeah, watch it slow. So, mag-stop lang kami guys ng ice cream. I don't have a lunch. It's a good thing about having a good breakfast guys. Like a rice and egg. Maganda talaga siya.
The hamburger or the ice cream?
Seriously though. I don't want it. Slowly. Drive careful. I don't want anything. Okay?
Here when you turn on the other street,
Yeah.
it's right there on the left side, right before you turn. You know where it is.
I forgot.
Every time you pass it.
I forgot. What is this over here?
Housing.
This is a housing? This is not a housing.
Yeah, probably for handicapped people or something.
Maybe.
It says Hudson River Housing.
Oh.
There's housing in the back. See the building to the back?
Oh yeah, I see that. This is it guys. Tignan nyo naman ito. Purple
Yeah,
eh.
French fries, they got.
Guys, a little tindahan. Ice cream. That's it. Uy, not too close. Okay.
What happened?
I said I would sleep and I didn't hear the phone.
No, I called a few times.
Well, I didn't hear it. I went out this morning to get...
Something na naman dito. What is the firefighter?
Yep.
It's like the firefighter over here.
Looks like a fire somewhere.
Hala. Ah,
Yes,
okay. No, it's not. They're putting something in the school.
Oh, they're putting the flags.
Flags. Hello, nag-black out pala dito. Magluto lang ako ng pasta kay Mister. Ito yung pasta na usually gusto niya. Yun, luto lang tayo ng pasta. Yun lang yung gawa ko. And then, maglauoy lang ako. Kunting tubig. And then, yung gulay. Para siyang broccoli. Yung broccoli niya ba? Para siyang broccoli. Diba? Nag-harvest ako, guys, kanina, guys. Separate video ko siya nilagay. Yung kawawa naman itong ano ko. Oy, ito lang yung string beans ko galing sa garden. Oh my God. Ang ganda nito, guys. Oh. Mahaba. Ang bango guys, ang bango ng lauoy natin. Yung lauoy pala natin guys, nilagyan ko ng sardines. Ang bango, nagluto din ako ng rice kasi Tami, it's been reminding me since last night. Last night, Ryan? About rice? Yeah. And this morning too, so and I just cook.
You got a friend in me.
He's been singing that guys like crazy guys. Oh, what's wrong with my baby?
Make your dog crazy.
You're so handsome. Oh,
Puppy, puppy, time for food.
I love
Puppy, puppy, in the mood. Come and get your freaking food.
it. Hi guys, kain tayo ng lauoy. Ang sarap ng lauoy.
You can have some of this.
My husband have steak. The one that yung niluto ko. Hala, somebody's running towards you, you know. Sarap. Simple lang siya, guys. Uy. Namit. Walang suka-suka, guys. Suka is bad.
Now, today we don't have it.
Oh my god. I burned my freaking tongue. Oh my god, guys, ang init. The broccoli niya.
I don't want this.
Almost 9 o'clock na, pero look, tignan nyo yan, oh. Come on out, Misty. Come on out. Good girl. Tignan nyo yan, guys. Ay, hayag pa, no? So, ang gagawin ko is, as usual, yung gawain ko araw-araw with Misty. Kasi kailangan ko siyang alagaan, guys. So, yun yung ginagawa ko sa kanya kapag kailangan siyang alagaan. She need tender loving care kasi. Right, monkey? Stand up. Stand up. You can stand up. Come on up. Alam niya kung alagaan siya. Alam niya na para sa kanya at saka para sa kagalingan niya. Para sa kagalingan, stand up. Get up. Stand up. No, nagtatago na yung ulo niya. What are you doing? What are you doing, love? What? Agaan mo na ni mama ang baby, oy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. Let mama get something, okay? Let me get something.